this is supposed to turn counterclockwise. And it's stuck. What I found out really quick is that you don't want to use a screwdriver because it will tear it up. We'll put a notch in the ends here. You don't want that. Rusted shut. As most things on these vehicles are. Yes, something is happening. Don't know if it's good or bad. There we go. Only took 2 days. Look. The way is shut. We're gonna try a little bit of... Ah, there we go. Oh man. No wonder. Look at that. Look at all that crud. See that? No wonder this thing was doing poorly. You know, if I didn't know any better, I think that someone has poured sand in this engine. There's supposed to be around here a little filtery thing, a strainer I think it's called, and that's non-existent, so that means it's in here somewhere. So what I'm gonna do now is just put this to the side and pour out the rest in this tank. From the inside of this old thing. Here is some type of filter, and here are parts. And I think they're supposed to be like a, I don't know what it's called, but it's like a cup or something that's on there. I think that's the one that's inside this. It's integrated. And all this plastic is just, look how brittle that is. Ooh-wee. Not good. Okay, so I've been trying to clean this little sucker out. A big problem is that it's full of gravel in here, sand and stuff. So either somebody poured something in here, or there's been a fuel line that's been a hole in, you know, and gravel and dust and stuff have been coming up while the truck's been driven. And it's not the easiest thing getting this stuff out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop this little chain in here and some diesel or something like that, and I'm just gonna shake it around and hope that it sort of dissolves a lot of the stuff in here. This is a trick I got from a friend, so let's hope he knows what he's talking about. So let's see how he works.
So today you've been seeing me taking and cleaning the old gas tank or diesel tank that's on the back, the pickup truck, and I've also taken the rear bumper off, as you saw. That was just complete rubbish. So thank you all so much for following along, and if you like what you saw, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit that like button. And if you have any comments, you know, anything you think you see that I should be doing, just let me know and in the comment section. Yeah, right, buddy. Thank you so much. Bye bye.